Okay, guys, so this is what we're doing, and this is what we're teaching and doing for people right now, which is actually just insane. And this is our 10-day credit sweep method that all of our students get access to, and we get to do it for you, or literally, you guys can literally learn this whole experience how to do it your guys self. And what this is doing, you'll see literally from the 28th, and we started on the 31st with this man right here. So from the 28th to now, he's already at 40 points. The reason why he's not at an 800 or 700, I mean, right now, is simply because he has a utilization problem, which we actually just got a letter for that will be able to remove your guys' utilization so that now you guys, like I said, as joining the program, now you guys will be able to literally have high utilization and get his score all the way up to 700 and be able to go to funding right away. And you guys will just see right here, look at this. This is an open account. An account was removed, right? This is how powerful this stuff is. We're removing open accounts. The method is removing everything across the board. Look at this right here. Collections being removed. You'll see accounts being removed, Verizon accounts, Credit One bank accounts. All these inquiries are being removed in less than 7 days. Literally, this is our 10-day credit sweep method. And this is obviously what these people are, our clients, our students are getting just by joining the program. Like literally, you guys will see, this one I think was utilization, but you guys will just see from since every time he's joining in, look, another collection being removed. And except right here, they're updating these guys, they're updating these accounts to current, to every bad account, and things like that. We're just really able to just push you guys to the moon. And this is what obviously the credit sweep is able to do. You guys will see your first premier bank payment history has changed. Like, this is insane. Here's what changed. It's updating to current. It is literally updating to current for everything across the board. And why is that good? Because now your late payments are going away. And you guys will just keep on seeing the results time and time out. And look, from the 30th to the 7th, that is like 8 days that this man is about to literally be from just having bad credit and literally having probably 7 to 8 to 9 derogatory remarks to now having 0 derogatories. His inquiries now could be removed in 5 minutes if you wanted to. Our whole plan for you guys is to teach you guys how to get the 8. We call it how to get all these boxes green, right? So you get all these boxes green. And once you have these green, you're going to be able to go to funding. His inquiries we could remove in 5 minutes, all these in 5 minutes, right? It's literally just, these are the methods that you guys get in this program. Just how to remove these inquiries in 5 minutes. You guys saw a list of like 10 being removed in literally 10 days or 7 days. Now you guys will see credit card use. We have a letter going out that you guys will actually get access to hide your guys' utilization. A little story about that. The banks cannot report transactions to the credit bureaus, right? That is illegal. So how do they report your utilization to the credit bureaus? They can't. So being understand in this program how to hide this, his payment history was at 85%. In less than 10 days, he's at 91%. And just so you guys know, just so we can just show you how big of a gap that is, we'll show you how big of a gap it is. Look at this. From 97%, it's considered bad. From 3%. So he went up literally almost 8 points, 8%. So 3 points or 3% is literally green. That gets you to perfect. Imagine what it is if you don't have 8. What is 8 points? That's it. We just doubled his payment history just like that. So that's obviously what this credit sweep and all this stuff is coming with. And that's just the credit sweep alone. That's not including our business setup or you guys setting up your business. And that's not even including the best part about it, getting funding. And the whole thing that we always like to say, we're not a credit repair company. We don't do, we don't specialize in credit. But what we do is that we fund the hell out of people. So we understand what it takes to get your credit in order for you to be able to go to funding. And that's the whole goal of what we're trying to do here. It's understanding that credit is a necessity that you guys have access to, and credit can be rebuilt, restored, repaired, and reused. So it doesn't matter how bad your guys' credit is, you guys all still have access to capital. And that's still not counting any of our results that our clients are getting from funding themselves after they go through this process. So that's just the little things of what you guys will get, what you guys will learn, or if you guys want us to do it for you, that's the whole spill. And every single package comes with something like this. So obviously, like I said, guys, it's great, and we're going to keep on killing it. So if you guys like literally want to join this program today and learn about these secrets that we're literally teaching, there's going to be a link below. And guys, there's a big discount going on literally just for, not that long, but there's a big discount in this link. Pick the link below so you guys can get started. Like I said, this is just one of many methods that we're getting right now. So obviously, guys, hope you guys are getting started, and we'll see you guys on the next page.